Hello. Welcome to a OBS tutorial on how to add your logo to an OBS live stream. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate that. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do to add your logo is go to your sources menu, press plus, go to image, press OK, browse, then just go ahead to the image that you would want to be your logo. I'll just choose this random picture. And then you can go ahead and transform it to your liking. So I would go ahead and click on that and then be like, okay, well, let's say I wanted it to be just in the bottom left corner as a logo. I'd go ahead and shrink it. Then I could go ahead and add it to the bottom left corner. And then now as I stream or whatever, my logo will appear in the corner like so. It's better if you have a transparent logo. It doesn't really matter if it's a full picture or transparent. It's however you want it to look. You just get that image ready and then just toss it into your, not your DaVinci, to your OBS like this. If you guys have any questions, put them down below. Other than that, have a wonderful day.